see, you are in my bathroom with me this morning because that's the best lighting in the house. So I apologize for the echoing. It's the first day of school. I didn't film the kids this morning before they left because it was early and they weren't into it. So I'll just have to insert some pictures, but it's Robbie's first day of 11th grade. Austin's first day of 6th grade. They got off this morning without a hitch. Eric just left for work, so it's just me all by my lonesome. I'm about to get in the shower and work on this because I look a crazy hot mess. But I'm going to take you guys along with me. I haven't vlogged in a really long time and I felt like it was a good day for it. So let's get this day started. Alright you guys, so today, much like every day, is laundry day. I swear, it never ever ends. I've got probably 4 loads to do today. So I'm going to get started on that right now. You guys are getting a little sneak peek of the kitchen floor. You guys, I promise you there is a kitchen tour coming sometime soon. The kitchen project kind of got put on hold. We still need to paint. Sorry, my hair's wet. I just got out of the shower. You guys can kind of see the kitchen behind me a little bit, little sneak peek. And if you guys are really desperate for the kitchen renovation, you guys can go and check out my Instagram. There's sneak peek pictures there. We put the kitchen on hold because all that's left is painting, and we decided to go ahead and tear out the living room floor and replace that. So we're going to do that first and then paint the whole thing all at once. So you guys will get a kitchen tour eventually. You guys can kind of get the gist of it behind me, plus the giant mess. I need to clean that up today. That's also on my list. But I promise you, when it's completely done, you guys will get a kitchen tour in its entirety. I'll show you guys inside the cupboards and the drawers and everything. It's just, I don't want to show it to you like the whole full-on tour until it's completely done. So you guys will see sneak peeks and vlogs, and like I said, if you're really desperate to see what it's looking like, you can check out Instagram. I'm loving the butcher block countertops. You guys can kind of see them behind me. They're so gorgeous. So yeah, stay tuned for the full tour. I really appreciate your patience there. I'm gonna get this laundry going, do something with this, and then we're gonna go run some errands. It's grocery day. I decided to forego the first load of laundry for a little while, and I cleaned my machine since it's the first of the month. It's actually the first Tuesday. I usually do it the first Monday, but yesterday was Labor Day, so I didn't. We were camping, so I just ran this real simple washing machine cleaner, and I used the machine cleaning wipes. Inside is all nice and clean now. It was so gross. The sheer amount of hair, my hair, dog hair, kids' hair, that was in there was really gross. But it's done now. I actually cleaned the outside of the machines when we moved everything to put the new floor in, so that's done. I just needed to do the inside, so we're running a clean cycle now. Once that's done, we'll get working on this laundry. Alright, so I sat down and wrote up a little grocery list, a little list of everywhere I need to go. I want to go to Dollar Tree and look at some bins for some organization projects I'm working on. Aldi and Walmart for groceries. I've been doing the Walmart grocery pickup, but with Labor Day yesterday, I didn't get around to placing an order, so I'm just going to go in store and shop. I don't need that much. We have a lot of stuff left over from our camping trip, but there's a few things that I want for myself for lunches and whatnot, that sort of thing. I have to pick up an order that I placed at Kohl's. I want to get fuel for my car, obviously, otherwise we're not going to make it home. And we'll see what else I manage to get up to. I've got all day. I've got nowhere else to be other than these few errands, and the kids don't get home till almost 3, so lots and lots of time to enjoy myself today. Okay, so I decided to leave my hair to air dry, which was a massively gargantuan mistake because now it looks like this. So the humidity got to it and it looks a little crazy, but that's okay. Speaking of massively gargantuan, take a look at this giant box behind me. I just stopped at Kohl's to pick up an order I placed online yesterday. I bought 8 bed pillows for $13. It was a phenomenal deal. They had a Labor Day sale going on and I had a ton of coupons I could stack. So I just picked them up, and this box was huge. Carrying that through the store was interesting. Luckily it's light because it's just pillows, right? But yeah, now I have to try to fit all of my groceries back there with that giant box, so we'll see how that goes. But next stop is going to be Aldi. I'm gonna run in there and pick up a few groceries and then get whatever I can't get at Aldi, at Walmart like I usually do, get gas, and then I'm gonna hit up the Dollar Tree for some different bins and organization tools. So I don't know how much of that I'll be able to share with you. Depends on my mood and the crowds and the crazy, but yeah, all of that will be done with this hair. All right, I am home from all of my errands. I got laundry going, I got all the groceries put away. I need to sit down and write a to-do list of all of the housework and things that I need to take care of. But for now, I just want to take like 15 minutes, chill out, kind of decompress and figure out what's next on the agenda. It's just before noon, so I've been going strong for 6 hours now. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you don't sleep until 9 or 10 o'clock. Definitely getting back on the school schedule is going to help with my productivity, although I have a feeling that I'm going to run out of steam really quick here. So I'm not going to sit for too long or I'll end up spending the rest of the day sitting on my couch. But definitely want to do a little to-do list, figure out what all I want to take care of. So me time for 10 minutes and then back to work. So it is all ready. Almost 1:30. This day is going by super fast, but I just put together lunch, and there's no way I'm going to eat all of this. I wanted it to look pretty on the plate, so I put way too much food. But I have a croissant here with some of this slow roasted turkey breast from Oscar Mayer, and some Munster cheese, lettuce, some red grapes, and some of these multi-grain chips, the Sun chips. And that's lunch. I'm also going to have a Coke. And then I'm going to get back to work. I've been working on laundry and doing dishes and stuff. Haven't had a chance to check in because I've just been too busy. But yeah, this day's flying. Kids will be home in like an hour and a half. Can't wait to hear how their first day went. Well, good morning, you guys. It is now Wednesday. I did the thing that I do a lot. I totally forgot that I was vlogging and I didn't pick up the camera again yesterday. And honestly, if I had a nickel for every single time that I started a vlog, filmed 2 clips, and then never picked it back up again, I'd be rich. Like, if I had kept all of that footage and compiled it, I'd probably have hours worth of footage. I do that all the time. I start out strong with the idea that I'm going to film, and then I just sort of get busy throughout the day and forget about it. And I was going to just scrap the footage like I always do, but you guys, I've been doing that all summer, and that's the reason I haven't had videos for you guys. That and that I just get busy and I don't edit. Like, I have a school supplies haul on this card that I'm filming on right now that I filmed weeks ago that I just haven't gotten around to editing. I don't even know if I should bother putting it up. Let me know if you guys want to see the school supplies haul. But rather than scrapping the footage altogether, I decided just to continue it today. So today's Thursday, Wednesday, I don't even know what day it is. With the holiday on Monday, I'm totally confused. It's Wednesday. Feels like it should be Tuesday, but it's Wednesday. I just made some breakfast. I have one of these Ore-Ida just crack an egg things. It's the rustic scramble kit. So it's got turkey sausage, low moisture, part skim mozzarella, cheese, potatoes, mushrooms, onions, and red peppers. Not the biggest fan of mushrooms, but I am a huge fan of these little breakfast things. They make for a super quick and easy breakfast that I don't even really have to think about. So I'm having this. It's already 10:30 because I also made the mistake of getting the kids off to school this morning and then crawling back into bed, which I don't like doing because I feel like it kind of breaks up my rhythm and then I'm not as productive. Plus, obviously, I lose those hours to sleep, but I did start laundry and stuff before I went back to sleep, so at least I'm ahead there. So I'm going to have some breakfast, fold some laundry, get some stuff done today, and hopefully I am better about checking in with you guys so that we can actually get a vlog out of this footage. Alright, so I ran to Walmart really quickly and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. First, I got this adorable set of pillow shams. I thought they were so cute with a little ruched detailing on them. They were like $6 for the set of 2. And they make such a pretty addition to my bedding. Really lightens everything up. And I love them. I think they're so pretty, so I got those. I'm going to take them back off and wash them and iron them up, but I thought that I would just put them on to see how they would look, and they're beautiful. The main reason I went was because Austin needed socks. when we did our back to school shopping, I asked both my boys if they needed socks. And they both said that they had plenty. Well, upon kind of going through and doing laundry, I found that that was true. Austin did have plenty of socks, but they were all kind of stretched out and ill-fitting and kind of threadbare and worn. So I got rid of them, and I went and bought him a couple new packages of socks. He really likes the ankle socks. He doesn't like anything that's too tall. I'll get him some crew socks probably come wintertime when he's wearing boots and stuff. But for now, I just got him a couple packs of these Athletic Works men's ankle socks. He has got humongous feet. He's almost the same size shoe as Eric and Robbie. They both wear a 10.5, and I think Austin's in a 9.5. So got him those. I also picked up this shirt for him because it was on sale for like $3, and I thought that the color would look really nice with his skin tone and hair color. It's just like this sort of purpley color. Hopefully he'll like it. It's from the Wonder Nation brand. I got him in a 14-16, which actually might be a little big for him, but the 10-12 looked really tiny. My kid's growing up super, super fast. So, plus these tend to shrink up a little bit. So I got him that. Also picked up some socks for Eric because I found the same to be true for him. He had a lot of socks, but they were pretty worn. I picked him up the work gear socks from Fruit of the Loom. I've never bought these for him before, but I like that they say that they're antimicrobial with odor control because he has issues with that. He works in water a lot, being in the plumbing business, so I thought that that would be nice. Plus it says they're reinforced in heel and toe, so I thought they might be more comfortable for him. So hopefully these will work out. And then the only other thing I picked up, Austin told me yesterday when he got home from school that he needed some tab dividers for his English class, so I picked him up these ones. Hopefully these will work out well. A lot of the school stuff was picked over, so it was either this pack for $1.88 or I could buy a pack for $12 or something with super thick tabs. So I picked up these. Hopefully those will work well. And lastly, I stocked my guys up on deodorant because they were all sharing one can of deodorant and it's not liable to go very far. They all really like the Men Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray. Eric really likes this one, the black and white. I don't really know what my boys prefer. They've tried lots of different scents. I think they're all pretty much the same, so I just picked them up. This one, honestly, just so they could tell the difference, so that they weren't constantly stealing Daddy's. So that is my little Walmart haul, plus the shams. I thought that those were so darling. And they fit great on those pillows that I got yesterday from Kohl's. So that's my little quick haul.